kumain na
Ano
kayo?
yung kinakain mo, Alan?
Johnny Bear.
Wow! Spiciness!
You see it?
Kain tayo.
Yes, I see it talaga, promise. No cap.
Okay, this one is the
Yung
spicy
ano, yung
one.
losing weight ni ate. Ano yan, video? Ay, fuck! Ate, she doesn't look like a cyborg.
You're only the one this season look the exact same.
Yeah, I like this season.
Have you seen this season already?
No, no, no.
Okay, gravy time.
Baby, fuck.
Kailangan natin ipainit.
There's something very Korean about her. She's very elegant. Yes, she looks innocent.
I'm Shin Soki. It's been a long time since I was actively dating, and I wanted to meet new people.
Right.
So I
Ayan,
decided
cute siya,
to
cute.
join the show. People around me say that it's
Ooh, gravy.
That's cute though. What's
Give
your
me that
name?
one, sis. Give me the other one.
But then
Well, I'm gonna eat it.
tell me, most people say I'm
Deep,
actually
okay,
Already
this is the other
and
one.
surprisingly fun.
Okay lang, ano ka ba?
Confident about.
Ako na nagpainit eh. Okay ka. What do you
My
mean?
round eyes are what
Oh,
makes
sorry.
me attractive.
No, I have to heat it up.
Tell me I have. I started
Big pookie ka on the video. Sorry, guys.
You're so cute just now.
I want someone who's considerate, someone who has a friendly kind of charm. When I say I like them, they all say they like me back.
Mmm. Oh, wow. Mmm.
Tugod mo na ako kay Ate Shiga.
Okay. Sabayin mo ako, sister.
I-check mo, baka mamaya wala na namang video yan. Baklang to.
Baklang tuwa.
Dito na tayo kumain para ano.
Masarap.
She's so different from the first girl. She's got a different vibe. Healthy and attractive.
Oh, that's mamaya dessert. Okay guys, it's mukbang.
Thanks for joining me. Guys, yan lang sa Battles and Wilson to.
Sexy body.
Mm-hmm.
And also my unexpected playfulness. I lift weights 3 to 4 days every week and play tennis once or twice a week.
Kain
I take care of my
tayo.
body by working out, so I'm confident about my figure.
May figure?
Not to be confident about.
Oh, she cute or whatever.
Ano napanood nyo?
I think
Single
we have to be
infernal.
like
That's
extra.
it.
Oh, yeah.
Appearance-wise, someone with
Ah, sure.
someone who can take care of me.
Oopsie.
So after a guy, I rarely feel like getting it.
Look. They have the same hair again. My gosh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this, season 1 Inferno?
2.
Ito yan.
Oh, season 2.
But at least they don't look like a cyborg this time. Diba? She's pretty.
Very pretty.
Someone's coming.
Mm.
Physical 100? I want that one.
Wow.
Tabas ko. Samosa.
Yan, pak. Oops. Thank you, babe.
Ay, meron pang kalamit chili mansi.
Sis, you know the host? Sis, you know the host? The one that has tattoo?
Yeah,
He's part of the season 2.
part of the season.
He was
Okay.
he was tawag ito, contestant siya, and then
Oh,
ginawa
yeah.
na siyang
Host.
Host.
Host. So did he find somebody?
I don't know, I didn't watch season 2 pa.
Okay.
Ba't ka mukha ni Amoti?
I'll sit here.
Sarap ng kain na ano, no? Guys, post-workout to.
I just had omelette this morning, Bem. And then so ito yung first meal ko talaga, sis.
Intermittent.
Ano?
My name is Che Jong-woo,
Wala akong gana pag
and I've never dated anyone who I seriously liked.
You look like Song Kang!
I'm certain that I like them.
Oh?
So I
Yung
came here
Song
to
Kang
find
yung
that person.
pinapanood
I
namin
got my
ang
fortune
zombie.
told, and the monk said if I come on this
Ang
show,
kurang ito
I wonder
maalat
if they're all
ba?
Korean or like some of them are
I might
probably
end up
like...
marrying myself. So that's how I made up my mind. to
Ako
do
ng
this.
ano sis. Ito maalat.
Oh yeah.
Even monks know about this show.
Okay, next natin mukbang nun.
I wouldn't think monks would watch this.
Gawa ka ng itog maalart.
I like to play sports. I used to be a soccer player.
Oh yeah?
So I've been playing soccer since elementary
Soccer
school. But now I play soccer or
Mm.
football as a hobby. On teams
Bakit ang mga Korean napaka-active, no?
Ay, may broccoli
Since
daw.
I was an athlete, I tend to be
Broccoli.
I mean,
I'm
tapsoy,
quite
tapsoy.
confident
Sige,
about
Ang random.
during games.
Alam mo, kasi ang healthy ng food.
I usually go for women with pretty
May
eyes.
ano pa doon,
I need
igado.
someone who's my
Igado.
type in singles inferno.
Hindi match sa ano, Chicken Joy.
I'll try to express myself a lot, even if it's
Mm.
Ay,
nerve-wracking.
so,
Wow.
And try my best so that she'll like me. I think what makes me attractive is my empathy and my sensitivity. And also how the corners of my mouth naturally curl upward. Oh wow, he has a nice smile. Yeah.
Wala, dinuguan meron. Tsaka igado.
This is awkward.
It is very awkward.
Kain ng chapsuy.
Ah yes, I'm very nervous.
Kukuk, Bem, si Kuya Bong?
Oh,
Kuya Bong?
someone's coming.
It's another woman.
Sarap ng kain natin. Ang aftermath.